This unusual parking space is literally located in the owner's apartment. This type of parking was developed specifically for owners of supersports cars to avoid possible theft from leaving the car on the street. This innovation can be found in Singapore, where these exclusive apartments have 2 elevators, one for people and one for cars. Place the car on a special platform. Choose the desired floor using the elevator. Use another elevator to access the chosen floor. Upon arrival at the apartment, the owner will find their car already in place, positioned in a special glass box, prominently displayed for everyone to see. Volkswagen has developed an intelligent platform that allows cars to find their own free parking space in parking lots and automatically activate the recharging system if the cars are hybrid or electric. The driver, upon arriving at the entrance of the parking lot, will be able to leave the vehicle and activate the parking process through a mobile application on their smartphone. At that point, the onboard equipment, autopilot, and the system for exchanging data with the surrounding infrastructure start working. The car, after receiving a digital parking card wirelessly, can locate the nearest empty spaces. After that, using 360-degree cameras, ultrasonic, and other sensors, the vehicle can make its way to the desired location where the parallel, perpendicular, or diagonal parking mode will be activated. Serva, this unique technology, has been created based on a transformable robot called Ray, which adapts to the parked car. The robot changes its size depending on the vehicle's dimensions, especially the length and wheelbase of the vehicle. This is possible thanks to 3D scanning technology, which in just a few seconds records the exact information. This technology allows the vehicle to be parked, optimizing spatial efficiency and the location of the vehicle in the parking lot. This is a fully automated parking system. It works in conjunction with a smartphone application or a special program installed on your computer. When entering the parking lot, the car owner must scan their smartphone with a special device, which allows for recording the vehicle's dimensions and subsequently selecting the ideal parking space. Finally, the car owner must guide the vehicle to a special platform, which will automatically position it in the correct place. To retrieve your vehicle from the parking lot, you must use the mobile application once again. Smart Parking Solution. The automated parking robot is a compact vertical construction. This invention can completely solve the problem of a lack of parking spaces. Moreover, the robot is absolutely safe for independent use. To park the car indoors, simply drive the car onto a special platform. This platform will then lift the car to the required level with the help of a transport lift. A screen on the outside allows the vehicle owner to see the number of his or her parking space. To lower the car, you just need to dial that number on the screen, and the lift will bring the car back. Hikvision Parking Robot. At the beginning of 2017, engineers from the Hikvision Research Institute presented an intelligent parking system. This invention is based on specialized software that utilizes automated parking robots, which can park the car in less than 2 minutes without human intervention. The system works as follows. The driver enters a designated area with their car, allowing the robot to position itself under the car. The user then leaves the car and receives an individual number through the mobile application and a touch panel located at the exit. The robot subsequently analyzes the current situation in the parking lot, locates an available parking space, and independently parks the car. To retrieve the car, the driver enters the number received on the touch panel, and the smart robot returns the car to you. Gazebox. This personal mini nest resembles a transparent folding canopy. This unique garage opens and closes with a conventional remote control. Ideal Park. Here, we have another personal parking solution, an excellent option for private houses with a basement. Ideal Park is a large elevator that places the car underground where it's driven to the basement. At the same time, on the surface of the streets, there's no sign of an entire garage in this location. Instead, you can create a pathway or even a flower bed above. So the construction of the car lift will not occupy a square foot of your property. Car tent. Although this invention can't be considered a fully fledged parking lot, it is perfect for protecting your car from external factors in open spaces where it's not possible to park the car in a closed room. The car tent is installed on the roof of the vehicle and can be used in various variations depending on weather conditions. This tent will protect your car from overheating in the sun, rain, hail, and foreign objects falling from above. This car lift was developed especially for owners of private homes with the possibility of underground parking in the basement of the house. The elevator consists of several levels, which allow simultaneously parking several cars. It works in the same way as other similar devices. The car goes onto the platform and then descends into the ground.